my channel, and today's video is on what you should bring to the beach, makeup, skin wise. So let's just jump right in because I have quite a few things to show you. So the first thing I would recommend bringing with you to the beach or the pool or whatever is a hairbrush. This is just one I got from Walmart. It is a wet and dry brush, so it doesn't mess up your hair. So yeah, I would highly recommend bringing a brush with you. This one has hair in it, so I'm not going to show you a close-up, but it just helps to brush your hair. Come on. Anyway, yes, hairbrush goes in the bag. Next, I would bring tanning oil. This is my favorite. You can only find this around summertime, unfortunately, so go grab you some. It is by Australian Gold, and it's like a gel, and it locks so that it doesn't spray in your bag if you don't want it to. You can just twist the cap and it will lock for you so it doesn't spray everywhere. This is a great tanning product. I absolutely love it. If you can't find this, baby oil works just as well. I know people say that you shouldn't use baby oil, but if you want to get a tan and you're not using it excessively, I don't see a problem in using it. So these are a must for me in the bag. This one's a must for me at home when I want to self-tan, but it still kind of falls in the same vocabulary or whatever you want to call it. Vocabulary? I don't know. But it is the Banana Boat Summer Color Deep Dark Color Tanning. This is a self-tan. It's a really like a light brown, and then you just rub it all into your skin and you are good to go. So this is a must for me every single summer. Next is Sun Block for your body. This one is by Hawaiian Tropic, and it is a shimmer effect one. It has SPF 20 and it is broad spectrum. So it's going to it's not tied down to one specific UV, UVB, whatever rays. This one smells amazing. What the scent is, but it says it is a shimmer effect with mica minerals and highlights your skin tone, which it does, and it looks really, really gross. I've had this since last year, but when you put it all over your skin, you just get this really nice. That's not an overpowering glitter, like big chunks of glitter. It just gives your skin a really healthy type of glow. So this is definitely a must because you want to get a tan, but you don't want to get burnt. So that is that. We all know that if you are on your period going out, I know TMI, but you have to have a tampon 2 or 3. The next thing I want to mention is this Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration After Sun. It's like aloe gel, and this is amazing. If you do get burnt, this is the stuff to go get. When you actually go get it, it has these ribbons in it. It's really, really pretty. It smells amazing. It smells so, so good. I absolutely love the way that this stuff smells, and it really feels nice and cooling to the skin. So again, this is the Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration. Looks like that. This is such an awesome product, especially if you are prone to burning, which I am prone to burning the first few times you go out. It is what it is. It's just what happens. But yes, so that is awesome. And then I like to take a little bag. This is just this month's Ipsy bag, but any little bag you have will do. And I like to fill it up with my smaller items, I guess. So let's see what we have in here. The thing is this Bath & Body Works lotion. I've had this guy for quite a while. It's almost empty. That's why I like to bring this one. But it's really, really good, and if your skin is not hydrated, you are going to just burn. So you want to make sure that your skin is nice and hydrated. So the next thing I take with me is this little sunscreen. It is for your face. I keep it in that little bag just so it doesn't get lost with everything else. And it is SPF 35, 97% UVB, broad spectrum protection. I can't talk. But anyways, it's just a little sunscreen. And the other one in here is also a mineral sunscreen. So I think I got these in my Ipsy bags, and I really just like to have something to put on my face so that it doesn't get burnt. Your face is most important. It's what you're going to, no matter if you're wearing a sweater or a bathing suit or whatever, it's what people are going to see. So I highly, highly suggest taking care of your face, not only with skincare, but also with, when you go out into the sun, you want to make sure that it is nice and protected. Yes, so that is the next thing. And then I would definitely highly suggest bringing some chapstick. This is just the Baby Lips Dr. Rescue. Looks like this. This one is tinted and it has like a eucalyptus scent. Any chapstick will do, but this is just going to keep your lips hydrated, and so that you don't, especially if you're going out on a boat, you don't want chapped lips. So I definitely highly suggest throwing one of these in your little bag as well. Now, depending on what you're doing, these are just optional, but I would definitely take something for your lips. These are just the Wet n Wild Mega Last Balms or whatever, and they work pretty good. I have this one on today, and it's really hydrating and everything like that. I cannot talk today. Brand, I swear, now makes these. These are the Revlon Just Bitten Kissable Balm Stains. So you have so many options. These are the cheapest, and if you want to, you can throw them in your bag. And if not, it's totally optional. It's not something that you need to. Next, I suggest taking a bottle of water. You want to stay hydrated while you are out there in the sun. It is beating down on you, and you may be having a fun time and not really realizing how much you're sweating or how much you're actually losing and dehydrating, and you may come home and have a headache. So I definitely suggest bringing a bottle of water with you. Something I don't recommend you bringing out on a boat or whatever, well, maybe on a boat, but if you're somewhere where it's like with sand and stuff, then you definitely want to steer clear of any type of lip gloss, because anything blowing around is going to get all over your lips, and that's just yuck. I completely forgot, because I lifted up a towel and these were right there. These Color Whispers give a nice color to the lips, and they also hydrate a lot too. So I wanted to mention that because Color Whispers can kind of get overlooked, but if you're going to the beach or something, and they also give a nice gloss finish without having stuff get stuck to your lips. So yeah, these Color Whispers are amazing. I have the Colors Petal Rebel, which is on the ground, which is this really, really pretty pink color. I have the color Coral Ambition, which is just a really nice coral, which is actually on my lips today. And then I have Ooh La Lilac, which is a beautiful, like, let me show you. It's just a beautiful color like that. It's just like a really pastel-y lilac type of color. So I just wanted to show you guys that as well, because I almost completely forgot. I want to do something with your hair that is up and out of the way. I suggest bringing any type of hair tie will do, and you can just throw your hair up, and I'm sure a lot of girls do this. I like this braid because it's out of the way. When I jump in the water, it doesn't get all crazy or anything. It pretty much just stays put. And yes, I just wanted to mention that. And any type of these clips will help your hair stay perfectly. You could just wrap your hair up and clip it in the back, and you are good to go. Last thing I recommend is a pair of sunnies. Everybody needs a pair of sunglasses in their life, and these are like my favorite. I absolutely love them. But that is just my suggestions on what you should take to the beach. Obviously towels and stuff like that, but this was just the more beauty edition. As always, all of my social media is down below, and I think that's it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I have tutorials planned for you, doing full faces for summer, doing not so much makeup for summer, just kind of like the beach day, every day. I have a lot of that planned for you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe. It just takes a few seconds to click the button. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. You okay? Come here, tiny one. Come here. Ice cream man. Always. Because you're not like toting around a full Lotion,